Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified as a professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. Today, I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, what would be the impact in Google Ads campaign if I add the new keywords in every 48 hours, post the redundant keywords, increase the budget by 20 to 30% in a 3 to 4 days period, change the bidding strategy from manual to automated by selecting the marketing objective. Okay, so let me answer you. Okay, that is a kind of a a different question. Which I usually get. So let me answer. Okay, if I add new keywords in every 48 hours, okay, that it will be a good decision. Okay, I will appreciate you, and you know that these keywords will be in learning phase. Okay, that's good, but I recommend you to create more ad groups for these keywords. So with personal intent based ads, so the intent, I believe that every keyword has a different intent. When you're searching a particular query, you have a different mindset, and if your ad is fulfilling the mindset through which people is searching that query, okay, that would be a very good thing, and that will also help you in your improving your quality score. So that is a very good thing. Okay, another question is how you are finding new keywords. Probably you are finding through search terms or doing your own research. Both are perfectly fine as long as you know what you are doing. That is very important. Unless and until if you don't know the intent or how the keyword works, that could be very harmful to you. So your knowledge and expertise with understanding the keyword intent is also very important. And if your offer or if your ad copy and your landing page does not match with each other, you could get a you know bad thing, or you will have a poor conversions if you do not understand everything over there. So I'm telling you, you can do it with caution, and if you know everything, you will be good to go with this. So now the question is posing the redundant keywords. Okay, there are two things over here, that there are two theories, which we can work with the Google Ads. Okay, the first thing is, if the keywords, are do not bringing any conversions, okay, you can post those keywords because that is not working well for you. And the second theory, which I usually people see, to optimize those keywords. Okay, when you optimize those keywords, improve your ad copy or a landing page. Okay, see what your competitor has for these keywords. Okay, and see around. Okay, look around for your peak timings, days, area. These factors could also have an impact on your ad conversions as well. So look around for those factors as well, and that could also help you, tell you, in figuring out in case if you can optimize it. So I'm going to give you two theories, and the number one is, if you want to post, it's fine, but you could rather optimize those keywords as well. I'm giving you just a suggestion, but even posing is also fine. Okay, now your third point is increasing the budget by 20 to 30% in a 3 to 4 days. Okay, you can even have it like every other 3 to 4 days. If your ad is limited by budget, you can have it increase in 3 to 4 days. There is no harm. If your budget is being fulfilled, there is no harm. But let's say if you are not fully using the current budget you have, then it's not a good idea. Let's say if you have $100 a day budget and you are utilizing $70, okay, there is no point of increasing the budget. But in case if you are utilizing $100 and you want to increase spending, okay, you wanted to do it, you are getting conversions, you are earning money, you can advertise more. It's all up to your preference over there. Again, if you are not earning conversions and want to expand, then it's not going to make a point over here. Like, let's say you have $100 a day, you are not getting conversions, then there is why you are increasing the budget. I mean, that would be a question over here. So that detail is missing in your question. So I'm just giving you both options. If you're getting conversions, you can increase the budget. If you're not getting the conversions, then audit your campaign, optimize it. There could be an issue on that. There is no point of increasing the budget at right now. But again, I'm estimating at $100. It could be your budget is at $25. That is a very less budget, to determine, and then you can increase the budget. So that scenario also may be a slightly different. I'm discussing multiple scenarios. Now, changing the bidding strategy from manual to automated by selecting the marketing objective. Okay. First of all, is the change you are going to do in your bidding strategy is going to be a frequent change, like every other 2 to 3 days you are doing it, or in case it's a weekly change, or it's a bi-weekly change. All have different results. I do not recommend a frequent 2 to 3 day change in your bidding strategies at all. I do not recommend it. If it's a bi-weekly or a bi-weekly, depending upon the situation, I could recommend it. Again, I usually recommend people to start with maximize clicks. Once you start receiving conversions, you can optimize to maximize conversions, or your top impression share or absolute top impression share bidding strategies or target CPA. I recommend these bidding strategies over the time on only if you're getting conversions with maximize conversions. For the new campaigns, I recommend go with the maximize conversions. Wait till we get some conversions. Okay, I'm not saying to get a single conversions, but get few conversions, 20, 30 conversions before moving to other bidding strategies. And if you're frequently changing out your bidding strategies just to experiment, then again it's not going to be a good idea. But I would rather suggest to create new campaigns with different bidding strategies in case if you want to try it out, how does it work. So yeah, I just presented you a few options over there on this as well. So I hope you like my opinion. But still, in case if you need a professional help in your Google Ads audit, setup, or management, me and my team can help you. You can hire us through the link in the description, and we would love to help you in optimizing, auditing, and even a setup for your Google Ads campaign. So, yeah, once again, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and subscribe to our services as well through the link in the description. Take care and bye bye.